In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or remove photosensitive videos on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application, then log into your TikTok account, and now you can hit add profile icon to open up your profile. Now there, hit at these three lines icon and select settings and privacy, and here scroll all the way down until you find accessibility, and here it is, remove photosensitive videos. You can enable that option, and from now TikTok removes videos using effect that may trigger photosensitive seizures. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.